Namaste. Welcome to AnkiNish Creations. So today's video is super duper exciting. I love Friendship Day and today's video is related to DIYs you can make and gift to your friend. All the DIYs I'm going to share in this video are really useful and will be used by your friend, I guess. So yeah, now let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm using this white terracotta pot. If you don't have white terracotta pot, you can paint the terracotta pot in white color first and then try this DIY on it, or you can just use the terracotta pot as it is. So first I'm writing my code on the pot using pencil so that I don't mess up with the paint directly, and then I'll make some flower doodles around this code with colorful acrylic paints. Now I'm using thin paint brush and black acrylic paint to write my code. If you want, you can use permanent black marker at this point, but I went ahead with paint because if I want to seal this paint using some Mod Podge or any kind of sealer, most of the sealer don't work on markers and pens. That's why I'm using paint. For markers and pens there are different kinds of sealers, so I just wanted to use one kind of medium on this pot to seal it later on. Now I'll be using various bright shades of acrylic paints and I'll make some freehand flower and leaf doodles around this coat to match the coat, and also it looks good on the flower pot. And with that, my coat and flower doodles are ready. They look so good together. And now to finish my pot, I'm just making some dots on the top edge of the pot and we'll be done with our first DIY. And this is how it looks. It is such a good home decor plus a useful gift for anyone who loves to keep plants at home. I hope you liked it. Next idea is very good for a friend who loves to read books. So I'm using this watercolor paper of 5 by 9 centimeters in dimension, and now I'll be using my watercolor markers to create little bit of a colorful background on this paper. So I'm just using purple and yellow shade and I'll create few semicircle patterns here and there. Now I'll let this dry completely, and once it has dried, I'll fold it in half like this. You can use a ruler like I'm doing here to create a perfect fold, and then I'll write a quote on it again, but this time I'll use a gel pen to write my quote because I'm not going to seal it anyway, so it's good. Now I'm using 2 magnetic strips which I'll stick inside this folded paper to create a magnetic bookmark. So stick the magnetic sticks together and stick them together on one side and then apply glue on top of it like this and put the paper like that so that you have magnetic strips in place aligning to each other. Now keep some weight to let the glue dry completely, and now our magnetic bookmark is ready. I think this gift is so cute and easy to make, and it will be used and loved by your friend a lot. Now the last DIY for today's video is a wooden keychain. So I have this heart-shaped wooden keychain, and you can also use this kind of wooden pieces which comes with canvas to make the keychain, and I'll be using wood burning tool to make my custom keychain. Note, please don't use this wood burning tool if you are not an adult. as it is very hot and dangerous to use by a kid. So first I am inserting my wood burning tool with a sharp needle on top of it to create a hole in my pendant, and now I'm using the same needle to write my custom letter P. What you can write whatever letter you want to write depending on the name of your friend, and just gently and slowly move the wood burning tool with through your design and create a beautiful wood burned keychain out of it. So this tool is very useful to make customized gifts and wooden gifts which are durable and eco-friendly. So I highly recommend if you are into making custom gifts. It is also useful if you want to make and sell custom gifts. So yeah, it is good to make some imprints on wood. Other ideas to make custom keychain is to use air dry clay or polymer clay, and you could carve your custom letters in the clay and make a keychain out of it, or you can use wooden pieces and use some 3D liners to write the letters on top of the wooden pieces and make your custom keychain out of it. Here I am showing you more design how you can make custom keychains using some different kinds of wood cutout. Now I'll be attaching some jump rings and keychain rings to make this keychain useful. And we are done with our third and last DIY. So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. Comment down below which DIY you like the most and you will be making for your friend. I have quite a few more DIY videos related to Friendship Day on my channel. I'll link those videos in the description box below, so you can check that out and make whatever you feel like making for your friend. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and please share this video with your friends, obviously. And let me know that if you guys still celebrate Friendship Day. I don't know, in my school and college days we used to celebrate Friendship Day like crazy. I used to love that holiday. It was not a holiday actually, but I used to love that day, and I still do. I love all those memories. And happy Friendship Day to you all, and to my all past, present and future friends. Friendship is an amazing relationship. So yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Love being creative. Bye.